Hello students, Standard 6, chapter number 6 in Maths, Integers. In the last session we learned what is the collection of numbers known as integer. We saw that when we take whole numbers along with the negative numbers, then the whole collection of the numbers is known as integers. The positive numbers 1, 2, 3, they are known as positive integers, and the numbers which are less than 0 are known as negative integers like -1, -2, -3 and so on. And we also discussed about 0, that it is neither positive nor a negative integer. It's a neutral number. Also we learn how to locate these integers on the number line. Now we started exercise 6.1. We are on the question number 4 now. In the last session we learned about the number line which was horizontal, like this. But now in this, the number line is vertical, because in the future you will need both type of number lines, and therefore here there is an example which is based on this vertical number line. Look here, adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. In vertical number line, 0 is in the middle, and on the upside of the 0 we write down positive integers, and downwards from 0 we write down negative integers. It is same like that we draw for the horizontal. In horizontal we take positive integers on the right side, negative integers on the left side, but here positive integers on the top of the 0 and negative integers will be down side of the 0. So now we have to check that here some points are also noted as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, etc. And then we have to observe that, and we have to locate the following points, means whatever the questions are given. Let's see the first one. If a point D is +8, if a point D is +8, then which point is -8? Now we know that +8 means we have to move same distance 8 steps. So here we saw that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, D is at +8. It means that if you need -8, you have to go the downside count from 1, -1, -2 up to 8. So -8 will be there. So here we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. F is 8 steps away from 0 downwards. So the number F, point F will represent -8. So answer will be point F is -8. So it is very simple, just be careful, count 8 steps downwards. Positive integers upside, negative integer downside. Whatever is number, that many steps. From 0 we have to count. Second, is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? Now I already explained you that on the upside of 0 there are positive integers, downside of 0 negative integers. So check which side is the point G. You can see that G is here, which is downwards from point O, point 0. It means that this side all are negative, this side positive. So G is a downward, so it is a negative integer. So we can write down G is a negative integer. Take number 3, see. Which integers for points, write integers for points B and E. Write integers for points B and E. Now we see that B and E. First we take B. B is on the top side, so it means B. It will have a plus sign, means it will be a positive integer. So B is, let's count from 0 to upside. B is here. So we will count 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is 4 steps away on the top. So B is plus 4. And now we have to check what is E. E is downward, so it will have negative sign. Just check how many steps away from 0. So here is 0. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It is 10 steps away from 0 downwards. So it will take minus sign. So E is minus 10. Very simple. Then D. Which point marked on this number line? We will take here. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? If you remember, in the previous session we discussed about it, that on the number line, as we move left side, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. And if you move right side, they are increasing in value. Here it is vertical, so little different. Which is negative side? Down. Which is positive side? Up. So if you go up, the value is increasing. And if you go down, then the value is decreasing. So here decreasing, so which will be the least value? Point E. Because point E is at the bottom. So point E E has the least value minus 10, because we already count about it. E has minus 10, so that is minus 10. Let's take the E. Arrange all the points in decreasing order, in decreasing order of value. So here decreasing value, it means that the point with highest value should be first, then others are less than it, and the least value will be at last. So here first D will be there, which is greater than C, which is greater than B, which is greater than A, which is greater than 0, which is greater than H, then G, F and E. G, F and E is the arrangement of points in decreasing order of value. So from thus it is decreasing. If it is increasing, we have to start from thus, which is less than, etc. So by the vertical number line, we can give the answers like this. Now question number 5, in which there is a list of the different places, 5 places, and the temperature of that places in India on a particular day of the year is given. Now first, in the first question, write the temperature of these places in the form of integers. So here we will write down temperature in integers, means using plus or minus sign. The first place is Siachen, and the Siachen temperature shows that 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Now below 0 degrees Celsius, we'll learn that day below and above. Below means minus, so it will be minus 10 degree Celsius. Second place is Shimla. Shimla has 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius below means minus 2 degree Celsius. Third place is Ahmedabad. And Ahmedabad has the temperature 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius above. Above means plus. So plus 30 degree Celsius. Then Delhi. In Delhi, what is the temperature? 20 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. 20 degrees Celsius, is it below or above? Above 0 degrees Celsius, so it will be plus 20 degrees Celsius. And the last place is Srinagar. Srinagar has the temperature 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. So below means minus 5 degree Celsius. So now by this way we represent the temperature into integers. Now the second question from it is that following is the number line. Here it is a number line given. Here from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 up to 40, and this side up to minus 25 are given. Now what we have to do? We have to represent the temperature against their name of the cities, name of the places. So we will take one by one. Look here. First is the Siachen. Siachen is at minus 10 degrees Celsius. So where is minus 10 degree? You can see that is the minus 10. So here we will write down Siachen. Then the second one is the Simla. Simla has temperature minus 2 degrees Celsius. Here you should see that between 0 and 510 we have made already 5 parts. So one part is equal to 1 degree Celsius. So here 0, then minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 2 will be here, and that will represent Shimla. So here we can write down Simla. Take the third one. Third one is Ahmedabad. Is plus 30 degrees Celsius. Plus 30 degrees here. So we will put Ahmedabad here. Then fourth one is Delhi at a plus 20. Plus 20 is here. So it represents our Delhi. And the last one is Srinagar. Srinagar is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So minus 5 is here. So here we will go down because there is no place to write down. So here we will write down Srinagar. So by this way we can represent them. Let's see the other C question. Which is the coolest place? Which is the coolest place? Coolest means that have the lowest temperature. It means it must be on the leftmost side. So which city is on the leftmost side? If you see from here, last one is Siachen. Right? So Siachen is the coolest place. So answer is Siachen is the coolest place. And now the D. Write the names of the places. Write the names of the places where temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. Temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. Now above 10 degrees Celsius, it means more than 10 degree. So more than 10 degree, 10 degrees here. Here no sign, it means plus 10. So there are two cities there, Delhi and Ahmedabad. So answer is Delhi and Ahmedabad. Have temperature above 10 degrees Celsius. So here we are going to finish today's session. which will be followed by PDF, maybe some homework, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.